When we were renovating the home and just adding our touches through it, I just wanted it to feel a lot more like us. I wanted each room to have a little bit of personality. And I also wanted to feel like we could be anywhere in the world. Hi, my name's Krystal and I am a content creator. My account is House of Harvee and this is my home. When we built this home, we loved it as it was, but then 10 years later and 3 kids later, there were a few things that we needed to change, and the process started from there to make it really our home. As you enter the front door, we have the entrance, which is one of my favorite spaces because I love the high ceilings in here. And then to the right is our master bedroom with the arched doorway. The master bedroom is a beautiful space. It's open, feels nice and calm. And as you continue down the hallway, there is the sitting room on the left, which is / the playroom. And then once we enter the main living area, we've got the kitchen on the right and the lounge on the left. That is also one of my favorite spaces, the lounge with the beautiful custom pink couch. And in the kitchen, one of my favorite pieces of the kitchen is the tiling under the island. It's just absolutely beautiful. I love it. It just adds that extra little bit of us. All my brass features in here are also just absolutely beautiful. Just past the kitchen is the dining area, and I have a custom table that I designed. And then we have a beautiful big stacker door with the glass that you can see the outdoor area. In the house, I love each room individually. I don't have a favorite as such, but I can't go past the outdoor area. It really is my favorite. And I do have an, oh my goodness, this is our home every time I go in the backyard. Down through the hallway, we've got all the kids' bedrooms. And then we have the laundry, which it's really one of my most proudest things that we've designed because it just doesn't look like a laundry. And then we have the bathroom. Going into that bathroom now, it really feels like you're at a day spa. My most favorite design and feature in the bathroom has to be the curved wall with the beautiful mosaic fan tile that just wraps all the way around it, which is just so divine. And I also did a vanity off to the side. The reason I did that and the reason why I think it's such a beautiful feature is because it keeps the storage off the floor. So when you look into the bathroom, it creates more space. So I think your home should make you feel like it's a part of you and something that you are really proud of. I really strive and I get motivated by walking into a space that I've created. It's like this big creative bubble that really makes me feel proud and happy that we live in a space that is just an extension of us.